Hi, this is Tom, and this is Hyundai Sonata evaporation canisters. One of these canisters is bad, and when the canisters are bad, they're supposed to, when you're filling the gas at the gas station, the evaporation that comes from the tank goes through this charcoal. They're supposed to remove the toxic gases, and then after that you should be able to get clean air out into the atmosphere. So that's what's going on, and one of these is 2005 Hyundai Sonata, and this 2005 has 3 lanes. You know, 2 lanes on this. It's an extension of, let's see both of them. See, this is the same as this. This is 2002. The one on my right is 2002. The one on my left is 2005. So the newer models, they did some modification to make things a little bit efficient. And you can see, for me to get this sensor off, I have to it's either a sensor I haven't checked or a switch, I don't know what it is, but I have to open this bolt here for me to get this thing off. But the newer model, 2005, I just need to slide my stuff into this, which is cool. And the 2005, the newer model, this is the newer canister, even though it is old, it's a used one. It has another line coming off from this little sensor or switch, whatever it is, whether it stops the evaporation going on when the car is off. That one I can't tell until I do some research. What I know is how to install and also dismantle it or installing it from the vehicle. So you see, this line is the same as this line, which is good. This little guy is the same as this little guy, which is good. This other lonely guy is the same as this other lonely guy. The problem we have is this guy is not in this guy. So, but we have, it is the same thing. Does the same thing. So we have to install, this is new, this is old. So what I'll do is I'll pull this thing off from here and install it right here. Or that's the easy way to go. I'll just pull this guy off from here and open this and remove this guy and put him here, and I should be back on road. So, and then install it. So those are the things that you have to watch for. And as I told you in earlier video, watch out for this guy. This goes in, and then there's a pin that goes down. The pin is right here. It's a safety pin. So now you know, and thank you for watching.